Your academic journey at NYU Stern will be infused with real-life business lessons. You will benefit from being in the classroom with our experienced faculty and have access to unparalleled, hands-on learning opportunities. Our 300-plus faculty members include Nobel laureates, senior business leaders, entrepreneurs, and top researchers across industries in every sector of business. We are fortunate to have adjunct faculty who are leaders in the industries where you want to make an impact. They are deeply connected to the global business community and are responding to challenges as they are happening. Our adjunct faculty teach many of our over 200 electives offered at Stern. They bring their real-world examples to the classroom. They are leading teams, making tough decisions, and because you are part of the NYU community, you have the chance to absorb this knowledge and apply it when you are the one in a leadership position. Because of this, our students stay up to date on trends in business and use insights from our adjunct faculty as real-time case studies.
One of the professors that has really had an impact on me is Professor Dolly Chu. She is a leader in the diversity, equity, and inclusion space, and just a wonderful human. Through her Developing Managerial Skills class, I learned how to be a better colleague and friend. We covered topics on how to be the best boss through coaching, developing culture, and running the most effective meetings. She was also available in office hours, helping me to understand how to tackle DE&I topics from my past work experiences.
The flavor of education at Stern isn't just about learning through lecture. Many classes use the case method, and professors often bring in speakers living in or passing through New York City, access that only our location can grant.
The faculty at Stern are incredibly accessible and truly care about their students. They have taught me not only how to read financial statements, but also how to be a happier and better person.